Hello, my dear friends, and today I am with my friend, my senior. So, can you introduce yourself? Okay, this is Monu Bhaiya, and we will discuss on our topic, and that is a part of adjective, and that is adjective that have never been in comparative and superlative forms. So, these are the words which are never used in comparative and superlative forms, and we will make and form sentences upon this. So please start.
The first sentence is he is the most perfect boy that I have ever seen. This is a sentence, and we have to check the word that never be in comparative and superlative forms. Sentence, this is the most perfect boy that I have ever seen. यह एक ऐसा लड़का है जिसको इतना परफेक्ट लड़का है जिसको अभी तक मैंने देखा है. तो we have checked here. This is the perfect word that never be incorporated with. This is the most word that so always superlative degree, but here most never will be used because the word perfect always in positive degree, not superlative and comparative degree. So we will remove most from here. Next sentence.
As you saw, Bhaiya described about the sentence from first, and I also jot down this word sentence. He is more perfect boy than his friends. In this sentence, I have used comparative degree more word, and after that we have the perfect word is also followed by more. But this sentence is also incorrect as this is. What will be the correct answer? Because we have known about the fact that perfect is a word which never takes comparative or superlative form of any word. So the correct form of this sentence will be he is perfect boy among his friends.
He is a perfect boy.
He is a perfect boy. That will be the correct answer.
We will remove word from here.
The correct form will be he is a perfect boy. It means that he is a perfect boy. It means there is no need of comparison. He is a perfect boy. Next sentence or another word. Unique. Unique word.
The next word is unique. Sentence is this is the most unique classroom for learning English. The sentence is this is the most unique classroom for learning English. We will research about the word unique because the word unique that never be in comparative and superlative form. Here, this is the most unique classroom. Unique doesn't follow by most or more. So we will remove most from here. Its correct form is this is the unique classroom for learning English.
As you saw that the unique word is used in the second sentence, and I have also written some other example on the same word unique. My sentence is on the basis of more, it means that comparative form. I love more unique flowers than other flowers. This sentence is also incorrect. The correct form of the sentence will be I love unique flowers, because unique is itself a word which never comes in the form of comparative or superlative form. So the correct will be I love unique girls. Sorry, unique flowers. So So let's proceed.
Let's move ahead. And the next word is obsolete.
Okay. Obsolete means outdated.
Exact.
Absolute. What is that? Yes, absolute power, obsolete power. That is the Kim Jong Un has. We will take sentence. Dictator Kim Jong Un has acquired more absolute power than Saddam Hussein. This name itself a Georgia's hell. Saddam Hussein, the leader of North Korea. Dictator Kim Jong Un has enjoyed more absolute power than Saddam Hussein did. In this sentence, I have made comparison between Saddam Hussein and Kim Jong Un utility of powers. But this sentence is also incorrect because I have used word more in comparative forms before absolute, and you have already seen in the above board that absolute is the adjective which never be used in the comparative and superlative form. So what is the correct form of the sentence? We will erase more. And dictator Kim Jong Un has enjoyed absolute power. This will be the correct form of our sentence.
And the next word is circle.
Okay.
Next one is
Circle.
It is the most circular glass that is gifted.
That word is circle or circular?
Circle, may be also circular.
This class is circular, I can say or not.
This is the most circular glass that is gifted by my parents. We will discuss about the circle or circular. Circular means it is already circular. They not need to be
Change
in comparative and superlative. So this sentence is also incorrect. And its correct form is we have to remove the most word from here. It means it is the circular glass that is gifted by my parents.
The word that has been read here is circular or circular.
Or maybe circular.
Okay, both of the words are same in the form.
And the next one is ideal.
Ideal. As you see here that we are taking the words that has been written here and we are forming sentence. So you have to also gaze on the board and see how the sentences are formed here. Ideal. Okay. Ideal. Sorry, I have just written that word. Our next sentence is he is more ideal student than other students of his class. Sir, can we use any other? He is more ideal student than any other student of his class. Because this is because special form and we can use any other. He is more ideal student than any other student of his class. But the incorrect word is where this is the correct word, but the use of this word in this sentence may be incorrect because I have already used more word, and this more word will not be preceded by ideal. It means that ideal word is not followed by comparative or superlative forms of word. So this alone will be correct. We will use this word in a sentence in the form as he is ideal a student of his.
An ideal.
He is an ideal student of his class. Sorry, because we have to use an article. He is an ideal student of his class. He is a monk. There. This is the correct form.
तो फ्रेंड्स आपने देखा ये सारे जो लिस्ट आप देख रहे हैं, परफेक्ट, यूनिट, सर्कुलर, ठीक है ना, आइडियल, चीफ, परफेक्ट, ये ऐसे एडजेक्टिव्स आपको हमारे स्टूडेंट्स आपस में डिस्कस कर रहे थे जिनका हम इस्तेमाल कभी भी कंपैरेटिव डिग्री और सुपरलेटिव डिग्री में नहीं करते हैं। तो कुछ इनकी स्पीकिंग एरर्स हो तो फ्रेंड्स आप इसको इग्नोर करेंगे। आपको काम की बात सिर्फ इतना ही याद रखना है कि जो भी एडजेक्टिव्स है इनको कंपैरेटिव फॉर्म में हम इस्तेमाल नहीं करते हैं। जैसे इनका एक एग्जांपल था हमारे पास, ही इज ए नहीं होगा, ही इज मोर आइडियल अ स्टूडेंट देन एनी अदर स्टूडेंट ऑफ हिज क्लास। ठीक है, तो ये जो मोर आइडियल है, आइडियल जो होता है ये हमेशा पॉजिटिव डिग्री में होता है, और स्टूडेंट सिंगुलर है तो हम फ्रेंड्स सिंपल कहेंगे ही इज एन आइडियल स्टूडेंट ऑफ हिज क्लास। समझ में आ रहा है? तो हम इन एडजेक्टिव्स का इस्तेमाल ओनली इन पॉजिटिव डिग्री करते हैं, सिर्फ और सिर्फ पॉजिटिव डिग्री में। तो फ्रेंड्स ये था आज का हमारा शॉर्ट डिस्कशन, जहाँ पर हमारे विद्यार्थी कुछ आपस में डिस्कशन कर रहे थे, और आप इसी तरह के थोड़ी सी अभी आपको इम्प्रूवमेंट करना है कि स्पीकिंग बहुत थोड़ी सी आप हेजिटेट कर रहे थे, थोड़ा इस पर वर्क कीजिए। तो फ्रेंड्स कुछ और भी इसी तरह के मजेदार क्लासरूम एक्टिविटी के साथ हम आपको नए सेशन में मिलेंगे, जहाँ पर कुछ और नए टॉपिक के साथ बातें होंगी। तो फ्रेंड्स आज के लिए इतना ही।